we can do this and show the world, hey, this is Death Valley, and these are the people that can do this stuff. I mean, we have literally 2 family cars that are lifted that made it up stuff that really, you're gonna get a lot of people say it has no business being on the trail, but it's on the trail and it did it.
I've definitely learned not to judge every Overlander by their cover, because everyone here has been such a fun time.
Everybody's been able to help out and help each other out as far as getting through one obstacle through another. It doesn't matter what vehicle you're driving, what you're operating, what level of lift you are, everybody's there to help out. This has been an amazing group.